Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to prepare a simple yet delicious homemade chicken biryani in a pressure cooker. This simple recipe can be tried out by the beginners. Now let's look into the ingredients required for preparing this delicious homemade biryani. You require 1 kg chicken, 1 kg jeera rice, 4 to 5 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 capsicum, 1 cup of coriander leaf, 1 cup of mint leaves, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani masala, spices as mentioned, chilies, 1 cup of curd, 1 lemon, cooking oil and ghee. Now let's see how to marinate the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now we can add either curd or vinegar to marinate the chicken, but here we are adding curd, which will help in tenderizing the chicken and make it juicier. We are adding half cup of curd and you can preserve the remaining half for later. Mix it thoroughly so that the curd is mixed thoroughly with the chicken. Add enough salt as per your taste and mix it thoroughly. Now you need to marinate this chicken for 1 hour in refrigerator. Now heat a thick bottom pressure cooker. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. We are adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee. As per your preference, you can exclude the cooking oil and just add ghee, which is good for your health. Once the oil is hot, you can add the spices. Add 3 to 4 sliced chilies. Let it get slightly roast. Now let's add thinly sliced onions. Saute it thoroughly. Now let's add a pinch of salt, which will help the onions not to stick to the pan, and it will also help the onions to get cooked faster. Adding a pinch of turmeric powder, which will help in aroma. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 to 10 minutes until the onions are cooked. Now we are adding ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone away. Now you can see the onions are getting cooked. Meanwhile, let's prepare the coriander and mint. Grind them in a blender. Add a drop of lemon juice. Adding lemon will help in retaining the greenish color of the leaves. Now let's add capsicum. Saute them until the capsicums are lightly cooked. Now let's add the biryani powder. Mix the powder thoroughly in the masala. Ensure the masala is not stick to the pan. Saute it well. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. As per your spice level, you can increase the amount of chili powder. Now let's add the tomatoes. Sort them well. Sort it until the tomatoes are cooked. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. This is optional. Now we are adding the remaining curd. Mix it thoroughly until the curd is nicely mixed with the masala. While sorting, just ensure the masala is not stick to the bottom of pan. Now let's add the marinated chicken. The chicken was marinated in the refrigerator for an hour. Mix the chicken thoroughly with the masala. If you have time, you can marinate the chicken for 2 hours, which will again make the chicken softer and juicier. Now let the chicken and the masala get cooked for 5 minutes. Now we are adding the grinded pudina and coriander leaves into the masala. Mix them. Adding the leaves towards the end will help in retaining the aroma of the leaves in the biryani. Mix them well. Now let's add the rice, which is washed and soaked. Here we have used jeera rice. You can use the rice as per your preference. Now while mixing, you should be very careful. Mix it very gently so that the rice are not broken. Since the rice is soaked, there is a chance of rice getting broken when you mix it. Now let's add the water. The water consistency should be, if you have taken 1 cup of rice, you should add 2 cups of water. Mix the ingredient. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add salt. Adjust it as per your taste. Mix it. Now we are going to add the lemon juice. Here we can add the entire lemon itself, which will help the rice to not get sticked. Here we are adding half lemon. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it thoroughly. At the end we can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, which will help the biryani rice not to be sticky. Now close the lid and pressure cook the biryani for 1 whistle. Turn off the gas and wait until the pressure is released. The yummy and delicious chicken biryani is ready for serving. You can serve it with raita. Thanks for watching the video. Please try out this recipe at your home and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get the notification on latest videos. If you have liked the video, please click the like button.